So today I am in Kenya in a place called Githogoro. Excuse sasa? Kuna njia huku? Kutoka kwa barabara? Main road.
Hii inaenda Runda ndani.
Gani? Hivi?
Hii inaenda Runda ndani ama ukuje ufuate hivi kwa kiwanja hivi.
Nikienda hivi naenda Runda? Nikienda tu straight? Sawa, asante. Okay guys, I'm lost, so I'm trying to ask for direction. Yeah, this is a place called Githogoro, and from here, when you just go straight this direction, you get yourself in Runda. Someone was calling me. Let me get the phone out so that I can see who was calling me. Yeah.
Wozo.
Hi.
Nada.
Hi.
Nani?
How are you?
Alikuwa amekuona.
What are you guys doing? Hi.
Unajua niko hapa?
What are you guys doing?
Cheki.
You've not gone to school? Huh? Why?
Hata nini unauza sasa?
Why? Oh, because of what? School fees? Oh, you still have school fees balance? Which school do you go to?
Seleta.
Huh?
Seleta.
Seleta.
Fremo.
It's where? It's around this place. Is it a government school?
Yes.
But government school is free. Or you guys pay? Because of what? Oh, you're from the remote areas. Okay, so maybe you'll be going on Monday. Okay, you study hard. Okay. Yeah, and you, what's up?
Cheki. Nilikuwa nauza TV. Kwa nini wewe shule sasa? Ananiambia TV. Tumefunga shule.
No, they just opened.
Oh.
Yeah, they opened. Yeah.
Why the shule?
They opened like 3 days ago. So you guys opened like 3 days ago. Yeah. And you are in grade 6. Okay, you study hard. And you check out my YouTube channel. It's called Mbone. Good day. Yeah, so guys, that is Githogoro. Kids are coming from school. Yeah, you can see. So guys, this is the highway. We're going to the highway. Hello? Yeah? Sawa. Hello. Niko poa. Uko aje?
Kwani unapiga nini hizo mapicha ama nini?
It's YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Your channel?
Yeah, my channel, my YouTube channel.
Unaitwa aje hiyo?
Mbone.
Mbone?
Mbone.
Mbone?
Yeah. M-B-O-N-E.
Mbone who?
Just Mbone.
Nataka unarokota nini?
So, when you go there on YouTube, you can...
Yes.
Utapata nini kwa huko mweka ya maana? Twende hiyo usiku hapo.
Huh?
Twende hiyo usiku hapo nini utapata ya maana?
Yeah,
Yes.
Travel videos.
A video tu.
Yeah, travel videos.
Okay, sawa.
Yeah.
Ni vizuri hapa Nairobi.
Sawa, thank you.
Haya.
Guys, this is the main road. I don't know where we can go from here. Yeah, should we look for a boda boda over here? Wow, so that we can go back. So this is the main road, guys. And so yeah, I don't know where we can go from. Let's wait and see. You can see them. I told you guys, when it's evening, you should be expecting a lot of traffic along this road. And as you can see, there's so much traffic along here. So there's too much traffic, guys. And just a distance that can take you around 30 minutes. A time like this will take you around 2 hours to get where you're going. Yeah, because people are coming from work. So everybody is on the road. So many people are. Everybody is driving. Yeah. So let me go on the other side of the road. So many cars passing. You are never safe on this road. You have to be careful. Hi. Can never be very sure. Yeah. Woo. So guys, let's go on this other area of the road. See what we have. Yeah. This place is called Ruaka, if I'm not wrong. Is this place Ruaka? It's called? Oh, Githogoro. Oh, where is Ruaka? Okay. Thank you. Sawa, thank you. Sawa. Okay, so guys, yeah, this is Githogoro. It's not Ruaka as I was thinking. Sasa mom, as I was thinking. So let me keep walking around and show you what we have here in Githogoro. Yeah, we have people selling tomatoes, clothes, yeah, all kind of things, even charcoal. Habari yako? Hi. Woo. So guys, you can see kids are coming from school. Yeah. Hi kids. Are you coming from school? Oh my god, they're just staring. They're coming from school. They're just looking at the camera. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, this place is called Githogoro area. We have a handful of people living here. Yeah, not so many, not very few. Yeah, and it looks like a good place to live in. So when you're here, be sure to visit Githogoro whenever you want, guys. Yeah, we have motorbikes as a mode of transport here in Kenya. We also, as you can see, those are motorbikes. Here in Kenya, we call them boda boda. Yeah, we call them boda boda in Kenya. So when you come to Kenya, you can request a boda boda ride. Yeah. Whew. So guys, even matatus, we also have matatus. Matatus are minibuses which help people to move around. When you are going to work in the mornings, you can use a matatu. Most people use matatus. Most people use matatus, which is the main mode of transport. Yeah, also you can use boda bodas, but boda bodas, because they're expensive, most people don't normally use them because they are quite expensive when you're moving around with boda bodas. Or maybe you want to go to places that maybe you're trying to go to places that matatus can't reach, then you can just use the boda boda. Yeah, yes. Mambo. Yeah, so you can use a boda boda. Yeah. So in Kenya we have those modes of transport. We have matatus and we have boda bodas. We have people with private cars, but they're not so many like the matatus and the boda bodas. So, and also the matatus are cheaper, and that's what most people use here in Kenya. Yeah. We have roasted maize over here. Let's eat some. I think we should eat some maize, then we go home. Hi.
Hi.
Whew. So guys, this is maize. How much is this one? This one.
10 bob.
It's 10 bob.
Yeah, each.
Okay, each is 10 bob. Saseni, yeah, YouTube.
Hi.
Tell them something. Mbone. Yeah, subscribe. Come I buy for you. Ati nini? Unaweza nipakia, please?
Yeah, naweza.
Yeah, so we put this one for the maize. If you buy in Kenya, you can use the chili. This is chili with lemon. You're in which grade? 6. You're in grade 6? Oh, I hope you're studying hard. Yes. Okay. Si umpatie yenye anataka. Mpatie hata full.
Okay.
Even you. So this is corn. Yeah. And this is only 10 shillings. Yeah, which is a very good price. Which school do you go to?
Chaleta.
Talenta?
Chaleta.
Oh, Chialeta. Oh, it's a hard name. You're working hard? You're in grade 6?
Yes.
Okay. Ataki mzima? Ataki mzima? It's too much. You don't like maize? So chukua wendo ugawia watoto.
Ungegawia hao watakula.
Yeah, wagawie tu friends zako. Si uko na friends pia wewe. Chukua upatie pia friends zako.
Leta ni wagawie.
Yeah, this is good. This is so tasty.
So,
Yeah, it's so good. So how long have you been here?
enjoy. Here,
Yeah.
I've been here like 2 weeks, but I normally do this one.
No, since you started.
Here.
Since you started. Not now here generally. Yeah, since you started with this business.
Okay, now it's just a year.
Oh, it's just a year?
Yeah.
Ah, it's not too long. Come, I buy for you. Come, I buy, yeah.
Yeah, take this.
It's not been too long. Yeah, you're welcome.
Also keep them one.
Huh?
I also keep them
Yeah,
one.
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 Yeah. You like maize?
Yes.
Or you don't like? You like? Okay. Poa.
Nitakupigia baadaye, niko busy.
Guys, so we are just here. We are eating some roasted maize. This is common in Kenya, so if you come to Kenya, you should expect to find roasted maize. So how many do you roast in a day, for example?
Oh, it goes with it's just with the season.
It depends
Yeah,
with the season.
Yeah.
When it's very cold, you
Yeah.
sell a lot.
Yeah.
Because the maize they are always hot.
Yeah.
So you sell a lot when it's during the cold season.
Yeah, during the cold season.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay. So on a good day, how much do you sell? On a bad day, like how much?
On a good day, here on a good day, I normally sell the least 60 pieces.
Oh, 60 pieces.
Yeah, the least.
Those are so many.
But the highest, 80, 60, 80. Can you also go to 50? You can also 50.
Oh, okay. And how much is the full piece? 40 shillings. Okay. So you just give to this kid until it gets to like 500 bob. Yeah, you cap at 500 bob. So you can give a few of them. Yeah. Huh? They want maize. Let them eat maize. But it's tasting so good. Thank you so much. So,
Ati? Nipe nani ni aje? Aya, msisonge jiko yangu. Msisonge jiko yangu. Kila mtu asonge nyuma. Mwenye atapata apate, mwenye atakosa.
okay, thank you.
Okay,
Have a nice day, guys. And you study hard.
Nenda mkujawana.
Woo! Oh, that corn was very yummy. It was so good. Yeah, it is quite tasty. So when you come to Kenya,
Madam, sasa.
poa sana.
Unaitwa nani boida?
Naitwa Mbone.
Mbone.
Yeah.
Mimi naitwa Anto.
Naitwa nani?
Anthony.
Anto.
Yeah.
So Anto, what do you do?
Mimi. Si tunawashanga kao hapa hivi. Na hiyo ndio job yenye tunaichapaga hapa. Saida wengine hata kama ya kufloat vitu hivi kwa dinga. Bado tunajiweka bills. Unajua bado sisi bado mpaka tusake at least. Ya kujisustain.
Yeah, exactly. You have a family? You have a family? Oh, single man. Single mister.
Alafu mbona nikuulize? Unapiganga job gani hivi? Unaweza niorganize hata shughuli yote inayohusisha na mmoja kwa mix. Kujua sasa hivi.
Unajua unaweza ambia watu kuna mtu anaweza kuwa ananida mtu mwenye anafanya kitu unataka kufanya na atakupea job. So waongeleshe basi, waambie. Juu wanakusikiza, wanakuangalia. Waambie.
Ndio nasema bado hata si hata shughuli yote tu ikiweza jiko yote tu si bado tu sawa. Bado tu unani connect tu job, bado kuja niko na ma friends wangu kadhaa wengi wenye yuko busy, no?
At least just you can just do anything, yeah?
Any business.
What's your name?
Anthony.
So guys, if you need anything done for you, if you have any business you need Anthony to do for you, okay, let him give us his number and then you will contact him, guys. So give us your number.
Bwana yangu. Bwana yangu ni 07
07
17 802 901.
Okay, sawa, wameipata. So in case wako na kitu yote utapata call. Yeah. So guys, today it's quite hot here in Kenya. So yeah, this is Githogoro, and this is now Runda. Yeah, you can see, guys, the way the place looks so beautiful. Yeah, this is Runda over here. This is Runda, and the kids are coming from school. You can even see the houses. They are so pretty. They're so beautiful, these houses. They're looking so good. And the kids are coming from school. Hi kids. Hi. Can you say hi? Hi. This is YouTube. Yeah. Can you go search for Mbone? Mbone, yeah.
Mbone ama Mboni?
Mbone, yeah.
What is your name? Is Mbone?
Yeah, it's Mbone.
Mbone, nataka kujiona upost.
It's in Garden Estates.
I want you to post me.
Okay, you guys have to talk.
To visit me. Hello, semaji. Search my name, Nema Grace.
Nema Grace?
Yes.
Okay.
Utasikia hi.
They'll search for you and they're going to subscribe, okay?
Yes.
I hope you guys are studying hard.
Hi.
You're in which grades?
5.
All of you?
No.
Okay. I hope you're studying hard.
Yes.
Okay. You study hard. You do your exams, you pass them. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. So guys, yeah, those kids are coming from school. Yeah, and this is the Runda. People are coming from work. That's why you are seeing a lot of people on the road. They are coming from work. Others are coming from school. Yeah. So guys, I think I'm gonna stop here, guys. Yeah. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, watch my videos, yeah, like my videos, yeah. So bye for now.